Did you know that 3.3 million high school students in the Philippines give up college because they can't afford it? What they do instead is look for a job so that they may provide for their families. That is why I am using Google's Gemini API to build Padayon Ko, a platform that helps students secure scholarships from start to finish. This is our solution. You see, people have been visiting Padayon Ko since 2022 to apply for opportunities with step-by-step instructions. Now, we use Gemini along with other APIs to automatically bring information to them, where the Filipinos are most active on Facebook. First time, our multilingual onboarding process, available in English, Tagalog, and Cebuano, gathers your information to create an elevator pitch about your origin story, essential for networking. But we don't stop there. Gemini's embedding model also analyzes your profile to match you with 3 scholarships and give you a head start on your journey. But what I'm really excited for are the AI tools we've made to help you supercharge your scholarship applications. Let's take a guided tour. First up, Achievement Tracker. Simply answer a few questions about your achievements, and then Gemini transforms them into bullet points and descriptions ready to impress any scholarship committee. Second, Foundational Essays. This section introduces you to 10 common application questions. Gemini will then help you write them without sounding too robotic, so don't you worry. But what are they for? Meet Super Essays. Gemini merges your foundational essays and achievements to generate new essays tailored to new application questions, so you can copy-paste and focus on applying. Quick note, you can either write or speak your input in any language. Thanks, speech to text via Google Chirp. From that input, we use the whole is greater than its parts approach by turning simple question answers into narratives for you to experience less cognitive load. And this is achieved by using comprehensive and modular AI prompts following Gemini's guidelines. Unfortunately, Filipinos studying in publicly funded schools don't take the SATs by default. We even have to take English proficiency tests just to be eligible for international scholarships. That is why in Padayon Ko, we have included practice bots. Meet Matthew, our AI-powered math tutor. By converting abstract math questions into interest-aligned scenarios, Matthew makes studying for the math sections in the SATs engaging. With a voice-only interface, Fluent helps you upskill your verbal communication with the option to focus on debating, storytelling, question asking, or explanation.
But how do you propose we solve climate change?
After your conversation, Fluent gives you feedback. Now, all you have to do is submit that application, keep track of it, and hailing from the Philippines, our Nobel Prize winner is Juan. Thank you for solving world hunger.